Good morning, everyone. My name is Deenat Sheikh.
My name is Achal Saw.
My name is Aisha Parveen.
My name is Kanishka Sahu.
Today we are here to represent our project report in regarding the impact of patriarchy. We have chosen this topic because in our society and some areas, women are not getting equal opportunities as compared to men. We have collected opinions about patriarchy from our neighbors, school, and from some unknown peoples. It could inspire them that women should also participate in national economy. So next slide, please.
Patriarchy means where men have more power and rights. Men are thinking women are only for household work. Patriarchy snatched the right of women. To decrease patriarchy, people should change their mentality. Allow women to do job and give equal wages and rights to them. We are trying to do a golden change in our society, a change in which we want to eliminate the discrimination against women. If we will success in this, it will be a big achievement for us and the rest of the women. We want to begin a life-changing process from which we are able to do the things that finish the patriarchy. Our group consists of 4 members. The main organizer is our Smriti sir, who inspired us to do something new from which we learn how to improve our society. Our main aim is to form a society where everyone will equally treated and free to do anything.
Beside all this, there is a wrong prejudice against women. Just because a girl is sitting with a boy or talking with him, she is viewed in a wrong way. But where boys are doing the same thing, they were not judged by others. It is essential to change this mindset and treat girls and boys with equal respect and dignity. And before judging others, one should also evaluate and see if they themselves are correct. Next slide.
We have contained 16 questions. We have surveyed among 30 people. All the questions are optional type. We have converted data into bar graph for better understanding. Next slide, please.
We have decided to work on this topic because we have experienced discrimination. We have asked 16 questions from school and from our society. During survey, many people supported women's rights, but some are against women's rights. We collected information in a chart and entered this data in LibreOffice Calc. This process is called data digitalization. We have created bar graph of this data. Let us see the statistics. Next slide.
Our first question in patriarchy is a problem. Some majority people said yes, patriarchy is problem. Patriarchy is problem. Gender female said more than male yes. Gender female said yes more than male. Our next slide. Our second question: why do women get less salary? Majority people get majority people. Majority people said partiality. When majority people said partiality in patriarchy. Our next slide.
Our next question is: do you think the women should be equally? Do you think the women should be equally paid as that of the men? Here we can see the survey reveals that about 20 out of 30 respondents support that women support for equal pay, and from the gender wise, 10 out of 17 males respondents agree, and female 11 out of 13 female respondents agree. Here we can see this survey indicates that the overwhelming supports for pay gap, for equal pay, particularly among women. By promoting equal pay, we can move closer to a fairer society. Next slide. Our next question is: what percentage of women in your community do you think are financially independent? Majority of people respondents that believe that 20 to 40% people in their community women are financially independent, and minority respondents that believe that more than 60% of people are financially independent in their community. On the gender wise, males are likely to believe that 40 to 60% women are financially independent, whereas female believe that 20 to 40% are financially independent in their community. Next slide. Yes, sir. Our next question is: do you think that all the decisions at home are taken by patriarchy? This survey shows that 14 out of 30 respondents believe that patriarchy dominates decision making at home. And 9 people are undecided. It's a complex issue. It's showing a complex issue. From the gender wise, male 6 out of 17 male respondents agree, and a female 8 out of 13 female respondents agree with this. Next slide. Our next question is: does the patriarchy control women? 20 out of this survey shows that 20 out of 30 respondents agree with this, and from the gender wise, 11 out of 17 male respondents agree that patriarchy control women, and from the female 10 out of 13 female respondents agree that the patriarchy control women. Next slide. So next slide.
Our next question is: in current times, are women getting the same rights as men? Mostly in the data, mostly Majority said yes. Women are getting same rights as men. Where females are neutral in numbers. Some said yes, but some said no. Where 12 males said yes, they are getting same rights as men.
Next slide.
Next question is, how does patriarchy affect women's participation in the national economy? Mostly people said limited job opportunities is the reason behind it. But in males, they said reduced economic growth is the reason. 4 males said. 6 said limited job opportunities. And 4 to 5 males said poor education and health is the reason behind it. Where females said limited job opportunities is the reason. Next question is, do you think patriarchy contributes to the gender pay gap? Majority said yes, where 10 males said yes. Both are neutral in numbers. Next question is, do you think after marriage women should have right to work? 25 people said yes, but there are some people who said no. Mainly the men are against this. Every female wants to work after marriage.
Here we can see that according to you, which option should be correct for the society? Majority people said in society both men and women should be there, equality. Majority people has choose equality. Men and women, they both want that in society equality should be adopted. Majority people choose equality, and here both male and female accepted that equality should be adopted in society. Next question slide. How does patriarchy affect women's career advancement opportunities? Here we can see that reduced opportunities was majority has chosen reduced opportunities, and in male they don't think that because of that women education opportunities will reduce, but female think that because of male reduced their opportunities were reduced. Next. So next slide. Do you think women should get the same rights as men? Here majority had said yes, and male and female both have said yes. Women should also get the same rights as men. Does patriarchy affect women's education and health? Here majority has said yes. Both male and female accept that patriarchy affects women's education and health. Yes, sir.
Our next question is, does patriarchy limit job opportunities for women? This survey shows that 20 out of 30 respondents agree with this, and from the gender wise, 10 out of 17 males respondents agree, and 11 out of 13 females respondents agree. Next slide. Our next question is, how does patriarchy affect women's ability to start and grow their own businesses? 10 out of 10 response that reduce ability, 6 see no impact, and the 14 said increase ability. And from the gender wise, 6 out of 17 male respondents agree, reduce ability said, and two males said no impact, and 9 males.
You have to be louder so that at least 4 to 5 lines can hear you. Okay?
9 men out of 17 said increase ability, and 4 out of 13 women said reduce ability, and no impact is also said by women, about 4 women, and 5 females is also 5 females is said increase ability.
Next slide.
Most people don't even know what patriarchy is. From the data, we can clearly see that mostly women suffer due to patriarchy. As few people know about this problem, hence the solution is difficult. Awareness and education might solve this problem. Next slide.
Any queries?
Well, because I think so that some teachers, when they have came here, later they joined to your this project. So I wanted you to explain once again what patriarchy is.
Anyone, please.
Just you need to explain your topic. What is this?
So, shall I change the slide to the first?
Yes, no problem. But I will be happy if you can speak without seeing. And if not, then you can take that.
In patriarchy, men have more opportunities and rights than women. So women want their rights and opportunities. That's why we have made this survey to see how many men are promoting women, and women will also want their rights. Thank you.
Shall I call the next user?